Hello, in this video I want to talk about a product called Drone Engage. Drone Engage is actually a large system. It consists of many modules and it is based on the Android technology. Android technology, for people who don't know it is the technology that uses mobile in order as a companion computer in order to stream video and to control drone use via GSM networks. So the next step was to support Linux-based boards because of the varieties and the way the scalability that we can make use by supporting and using these boards. So Drone Engage runs on Raspberry Pi and it can run on JSON Nano, and you can compile the code and run it on different boards if needed. In this presentation, I will go through different features and different modules, and I will describe the system architecture in high level. So let's start. Now let's see the system architecture of Drone Engage. We have two main parts, the drone part and the ground station part. The drone part consists of Pixhawk or whatever flight control board and Raspberry Pi Zero connected to 4G GSM stick. And this stick transmits or connects to Drone Engage communication server. On the other side, we will find ground control station that consists of two parts. The first part is the web client. This web client connects to Drone Engage communication server and receives data from drone and sends command to the drone. And this web client can transmit data locally to Mission Planner or Ground Control via a plugin called Android Web Plugin. And this is simply Android Web Plugin is simply a command line that you can run, and from the web here you can activate the telemetry and you will find that this Mission Planner is connected directly to this Pixhawk via this system. However, it's not always needed to use Mission Planner or Ground Control, because only using this website you can make missions and you can take off land and make guided mode and upload maps, upload missions. And you can even, by the way, connect a gamepad and try to navigate using a gamepad controller. So this site, I advise you to check this site. It has very interesting features. Now, this is the most distinguished feature for Drone Engage, and this feature is what really most Android users wants, because using Drone Engage you can connect multiple cameras. In Android you can only use the mobile camera. Yes, you can switch between the foreground and background camera, but it's not very useful, and you cannot connect USB camera to the mobile and let Android access it. So, but in Drone Engage you can connect multiple cameras. You can even stream simultaneously videos from all these cameras. Even if this board, or using this board, you can connect up to 3 cameras and 1 camera here in this socket. But even if this is not enough, you can even use another board, and this board will be connected to other cameras, and these two boards will be seen as one camera module from the web. And you can actually add multiple boards. This is the best feature of Drone Engage system. You can add plugins, you can add modules, and you can add specific hardware for each module, and all these modules are connected together. we want to know the amount of hardware and the number of components we need in order to use this system. The system in its simplest form uses only a Raspberry Pi Zero and a GSM stick and an OTG cable that connects the GSM stick to the Raspberry Pi Zero. And all of these components weighs only 41.9 grams. Using only these components, you can have unlimited access. You can control your drone from anywhere on the planet. In this picture, we can see how to connect the system. Drone Engage software runs here on Raspberry Pi Zero, and here the 4G GSM stick is connected via OTG cable. This Raspberry Pi 4 actually represent any flight control board. It can be a PixHawk. You can remove this picture and use a PixHawk. You can use Orange Cube. In all of this configuration, all you need is to take these three cables, TX, RX, and ground, and connect them to Raspberry Pi Zero, and that's it. Using this configuration, you can access your drone from any place, anywhere, using 4G mobile network. The most interesting feature in Drone Engage system is that it is not fixed to one board or one type of board. That means you can run group of hybrid boards, and each board has a specific module. For example, communication module run on Raspberry Zero, and the Mavlink module and run on Raspberry Zero and communicate with Orange Cube. Then a camera module run on Raspberry Pi 4, and AI module run on Jetson Nano, etc. So there is no fixed architecture. You can choose, for example, you can change your mind and bring one board and run all these modules on the same board. You can choose to divide some modules on a board and other modules on other boards. So there is no fixed architecture, and these modules can exchange messages together. So there is no limitation for what is possible using this system.